with the brothers on those northern roads. A dram of fine whiskey and the brothers' oath holds. Wings on my cut and sword swinging bold. In the north we'll ride till we're dead and cold. Steel horse thunder in the cold night air, Scottish wind in my face, and I just don't care. Square and compass on my shoulder, yeah, it catches the light. Every turn that we take feels like freedom tonight. Raise your glass to the road, let the bagpipes play. Every mile that we ride, we're paving the way from the towns to the glens. Under northern skies, got the fire of the craft burning deep in our eyes. We ride with the brothers on those northern roads. A dram of fine whiskey and the brothers' oath holds. Wings on my cut and sword swinging bold. In the north we'll ride till we're dead and cold. Leather boots on the ground when the journey slows, but the engine's still warm and the brotherhood grows. Stories and laughter with a dram in our hand, ties that run deeper than the hills of our land. From the River Tays banks to the Shetland streets, to the high road bends where the mountains meet. Every twist of the throttle's a bond we keep. These are roads for the riders, not the ones who sleep. We ride with the brothers on those northern roads. A dram of fine whiskey and the brothers' oath holds. Wings on my cut and sword swinging bold. In the north we'll ride till we're dead and cold. Morning light on the loch and the mist rolls wide. Engines rumble awake and we're set to ride through the heather and the rain, under steel gray skies, with the roar of the north and the pride in our eyes. Let's get hoovered tonight when the day's run's done, with a dram in our hand and the brothers is one. From the first handshake to the last long mile, it's the North Chapter spirit that makes us smile. Hands up high, let the engines roar. North Chapter riding like never before. From the highlands wind to the ocean tide, we don't ride alone, we ride side by side. We ride with the brothers on those northern roads. A dram of fine whiskey and the brothers' oath holds. Wings on my cut and sword swinging bold. In the north we'll ride till we're dead and cold. Through the wind, through the rain, through the nights that turn cold, we ride as one. North Chapter forever. We all as one. stars new, through rolling hills and morning dew. Steel and honor side by side, in patch and craft we take the ride. We are the first, we are the flame, the widow's sons, a timeless name. From lodge to road we bear the load, we're Scotland's brothers of the road. We ride with pride where the cold winds blow, from Shetland's edge to the borders low. North, east and west we stand as one, in shadow, storm or rising sun, with the sonic light to guide our code. We are the brothers of the road. We wear the square, we know the sign, we guard the craft and ancient line. The Grand Lodge light still leads us true, in every turn and path we do. It's not just steel or chrome and spark, it's brotherhood that lights the dark. In every roar our purpose showed, we ride as brothers of the road. We ride with pride where the cold winds blow, from Shetland's edge to the borders low. North, east and west we stand as one, in shadow, storm or rising sun, with Masonic light to guide our code. We are the brothers of the road. For the widow, for the oath, for the journey and the growth, for the craft we ride and strive, in every mile we come alive. The sign, respect the name, keep the light, protect the flame. From ancient roots our path was shown, we ride as brothers of the road. We ride with pride through wind and rain, with vengeance loud and hearts unchained. From lodge to love, from stone to shore, our brotherhood will ride once more, with Scottish fire and Masonic code. We are the brothers of the road.